look at this Lexus across the street though. Look, he was not like this like 2 days ago. Look at this nigga shit. Damn. Dun, dun, dun. And his lawn is cut, ladies and gentlemen. Oof, there go the musty bitch. Ooh, and there she goes. You guys know about the Regal, right? We got a little Yoda on the back, y'all. And dig what I'm saying? Oh, I got my player partner right there. And my player partner, he got all the girls. You know what I'm saying? So check this out, man. This is why I rigged it though. That's why I don't match. Look how I just let this black just dwindle away. People are like, you're a loser. You're a loser. I know. I should did better. Look at that. I'm just giving y'all before and after walk around. God, look at that. That is ridiculous. LaTroy, you should be fired. Look at, oh, I need a new mirror too. So we're gonna wash this thing today. I had to wait till the sun went in because you cannot wash black in direct sunlight. So I'm finna get started, y'all. Man, when that water touch it though, it just get nasty one time. It's like, ooh, she could be something. Look at them sprinkles in that paint. Look at them sprinkles. You feel me? That is a black ass truck. Okay, that, ooh, soap suds on that side. We gotta get that. We're gonna get those dirty wheels too, but look at that, y'all. Jesus Christ. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Hold on. Let's see what them headlights look like when I turn them headlights on.